Good morning, friends. So, today I really had to drag myself out of bed. I didn't feel this day happening. But since I do exercise every morning, I decided to do a boxing exercise today. And let me tell you, I just started and I visualized these challenges and I punched them out and I punched out unbelief and I punched out doubt and fear. And as I started to do that, I was reminded of 1 Timothy 6, verse 12 that says, fight the good fight of faith. And there's something that rose in me. We are conquerors and we can. So I want to encourage you today to fight the fight. Maybe you are struggling with relationships. Maybe you are struggling with health. Maybe you are struggling with finances and there's so many challenges and you are overwhelmed and you just feel like you can't even breathe. Try this. Just physically box at that specific thing. See it just knocked out. It really worked for me and now I am enthusiastic and ready for this day. Tell me in the comments below what you will be fighting and knocking out today. May you have a blessed day. We'll talk again soon. Until next time.